Children, now moving to the next topic in the same sequence of related angles, we come to another types of angles which is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. In the previous video, we had studied about the complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree. Now in this video we will be studying about supplementary angles. Supplementary angles same like our complementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles whose sum is equal to, let's see, suppose we have this angle. The measure of this angle is 130 degree. Let us have another angle. The measure of this angle is equal to 50 degree. When we add these two angles, the measure of these two angles 130 plus 50 degree, we get sum equal to 180 degree. These type of angles are called supplementary angles. Means the angles whose sum of whose measure is equal to 180 degree are called supplementary एंगल्स. ऐसे दो एंगल्स जिनका सम 180 डिग्री के बराबर होता है, ऐसे एंगल्स को हम सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कहते हैं. सपोज दिस इज एंगल एक्स वाई जेड एज यूजुअल. दिस इज एंगल पी क्यू आर. देन एंगल एक्स वाई जेड एंड पी क्यू आर आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, और वी कैन से एक्स वाई जेड इज supplement of angle PQR, or angle PQR is a supplement of angle XYZ. So these type of angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree, neither less than that nor more than that, are called supplementary angles. Another example can be, suppose we have angle equal to, the measure of one angle is 100 degree, measure of another angle is 80 degree, then 100 plus 80 gives us 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles. Now without drawing the angle, just with the help of the measure, see how can we find out. Suppose we have an angle equal to 145 degree. What will be the measure of its supplement? Now we know that the sum of supplementary angles must be equal to 180 degree. So to make this sum equal to 180, what must come here? 180 minus 145. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. This is 0. So our answer will be 35 degree. So 35 degree is the complement of 145 degree, or we can say 145 degree is the complement of 35 degree. Another example, suppose we have angle equal to 68 degree. Now what will be its supplement? What supplement only I told children is supplement. What will be its supplement? So 68 degree, their sum must be equal to 180 degree. One angle is 68. What will be another angle? 10 minus 8, 2, 1 and 1. So 112 degree. So 68 degree is the supplement of 112 degree, and 112 degree is the supplement of 68 degree. So this is how, when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Children, these two are supplementary angles, these two are supplementary angles. I hope this concept of supplementary angles is clear to you, children. Now let us deal with three different questions asked in your book regarding the supplementary angles. Again the same question: can two acute angles be supplementary? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? And can two right angles be supplementary? Now when we talk about acute angle, the measure of acute angle is always less than 90 degree. है ना? Now suppose we take angles equal to 89 degree and 88 degree. Just one number and two number less than 90 degree. In acute angle, we are forced to take angle less than 90 degree because the measure of acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So what will be the sum of these two angles, children? 90 7 will be the measure. It is not equal to 180 degree. So these two angles cannot be. I have taken the biggest possible acute angle that I can. I may take 30 and 60 also. See, the sum will be only 90 degree. I may take 70 and 20 also. The sum will be 90 degree only, not more than that. But to reach up to the level of a supplementary angle, we need 180 degree minimum. So two acute angles cannot be supplementary at any cost. Then when we talk about obtuse angle, obtuse angle, the smallest obtuse angle if I take, let's take 91 and 92, because obtuse angle are always more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So if I take 91 and 92 also, their sum will be 183, which is more than 180 degree. So two obtuse angles also cannot be equal, cannot be supplementary, because अगर हम सबसे छोटे ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल भी लेते हैं, 90 से बड़ा होता है ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल और 180 से छोटा होता है. If we take 170 and 110, see where we will go. 280, 100 degrees more than a supplementary angle. So two obtuse angles also cannot be supplementary at any cost, because their measure will be more than 180 degree. In two acute angles, the measure will be less than 180 degree. In obtuse angle, the measure will be more than 180 degree. Then the third question, can two right angles be supplementary? So yes, the answer for this question is yes, because right angles means 90 degree. So two right angles means 90 plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So two right angles can be supplementary. So this is all about your supplementary angles, children. Supplementary angles means two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree are called supplementary angles, and two angles whose measure is equal to 90 degree are called complementary angles. Go through these two videos properly, children. Try to understand them. If you have any doubt, you may ask me. Thank you, children.